Welcome back to News 18 this morning. After 4 years of structure and rigorous standards, some engineering students at Purdue just want to let loose. Who can blame them? Their inventive side gets to come to life in one class. It's sitting right here in front of me. They create a robotic snowblower, for example, or a curb-hopping wheelchair, and much more. We're now talking about John Nolfi's senior engineering capstone, and it is the focus of our monthly Purdue 101 series. John Nolfi is here with us this morning. Thanks so much for stopping by.
Glad to be here.
You brought Scott with you. We're going to talk about him in just a minute. First, let's talk about the class in general. What is it? Why do kids like to take it?
Senior design is the last class they take before they graduate. So they must design, engineer, and build a device or product that generally does not exist in the world today.
I was looking at some of the examples.
First chance.
Yeah, first chance. This is definitely something that doesn't exist right now. This is Scout. Tell us who he is, what he does.
Scout is a robotic vehicle. It is made to carry in the trunk of your car. And so you would pull up at a site, maybe a fire or environmental problem, take Scout out, and you can recondition it in 5 minutes with sensor pallets, and this is a sensor pallet. It has an IR sensor on it. We can put on it a camera, temperature, wind, any type of sensor you want. And it's a plug and play, so you snap the pallets in place, drive Scout to the target position, and you get a live data screen down to your laptop.
And this sounds like the culmination, right, of all the skills that engineers will learn in their time at Purdue. Tell us, what are some other things that the students will build in this class?
Well, this semester, this summer, which lasts 8 weeks, we're making a stroller that goes down steps without bouncing. You know how that is. A robotic arm that attaches underneath the hood of your stove with continuous motion for stir fry and other cooking.
So it's things you don't think you need, and then if you have them, you're like, wow, that sounds pretty cool.
And we have if you play tennis and you practice and you hit the balls over the net and they all lay on the ground, we have a grass cutter size robot that drives around, picks up your balls, dumps them in a basket, and brings them back to you.
All very cool ideas. Do any of these actually make it to commercial applications? Or are they just more for the students to exercise this part of their brain?
About maybe 1 or 2% get patented.
Really?
And of that, maybe 1 or 2% actually make it to a point where they're commercialized, sold, or built by the students.
Now, what a dream. How long have you been teaching this course? At least been
15 years.
15 years. And in all of that time, what is your favorite thing about watching these students go through this process?
The favorite thing, they come in, my class is structured as an engineering team in industry. I came from industry. And so they're taught not just to engineer and manufacture, but they're taught how to act as a team member. And that's leadership and meeting schedules and costs and a little bit of politics. And they learn that, and they come in brand new, not too talkative, and they go out confident. And they know what to do. That's the goal.
That's exactly what we want seniors to do. John Nolfi, we appreciate the time this morning and for bringing Scout by as well. Thank you.